In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to collaborate with external recruiters on Top Echelon. If you're new to the platform or considering it, you'll want to stick around for some insider tips that can help you use it more effectively and get results faster. Top Echelon is a leading recruiting software that helps companies and recruiters work together to find the best candidates, and it's a powerful tool for collaborating with external recruiters. Whether you're a business owner, HR manager, or just a recruiter trying to expand your reach, you'll find that collaborating on this platform can be seamless and highly effective. When you first log into Top Echelon, you'll notice the user interface is intuitive, and the main goal is to make your recruiting process as efficient as possible. The platform allows you to easily connect with external recruiters and share job opportunities with them. To get started, you'll want to create a job order, which is essentially an open position you need filled. Once you've set up the job order, it's easy to share it with your external network of recruiters. The key to a successful collaboration on Top Echelon is communication. Make sure to clearly define the requirements for the position, as this will help external recruiters narrow down their candidate searches and provide you with more relevant applicants. Don't forget to check in regularly with the external recruiters to see how they're progressing and if they need additional details. Top Echelon also offers a built-in candidate tracking system, so you can easily see the status of candidates that external recruiters submit. This is extremely valuable because it keeps everyone on the same page and prevents duplication of effort. If you have multiple recruiters working on the same position, this system ensures they don't send over the same candidate twice or overlook someone. Another great feature is the Recruiter Network, which is essentially a community of trusted external recruiters. You can search for and connect with highly qualified recruiters that have experience in the specific field or industry you're hiring for. This makes finding the right person much easier and ensures you're working with professionals who know your industry well. Now, one of the best ways to take full advantage of Top Echelon is by using their exclusive extended free trial, which allows you to try out the platform with zero risk. By using the first link in the description, you'll get access to this special offer, along with additional bonuses that will help you maximize your experience on the platform. You'll want to use this free trial to explore the tools in more detail and learn how to integrate external recruiters into your workflow seamlessly. After all, collaborating with external recruiters on Top Echelon is about creating a reliable and efficient pipeline for talent. You'll be able to quickly identify top candidates and get them in front of your hiring managers faster than ever before. So, if you're ready to take your recruiting efforts to the next level, make sure to click the link below to get started with your exclusive free trial of Top Echelon. Start collaborating with external recruiters today and streamline your hiring process. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your recruitment efforts.